Guys, I'm always looking at new tech and gadgets, and today I've got something a little bit different to show you. So if you follow my channel, you would have seen that recently I did a review on a USB-C fast charger, which for the money was great. That was a product by Syncwire, who make a ton of tech, including chargers, cables, car accessories, and a lot more. Well, today I'm reviewing this car charger and cigarette lighter splitter, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here from Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. First off, I'm just going to say that Syncwire sent me this to review. However, if you follow my channel, you know that whether I'm sent something or whether I buy it myself, you'll always get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. Now, although there are a ton of these types of chargers out there, this has got some pretty nice features. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a look and see what you get in the box. So guys, in the box we have the charger itself. First impressions, this thing is pretty big, but there are two USB-C ports, a USB-A quick charge port, and two cigarette lighter ports, so it does need to be a fair old size to accommodate all of these ports. The charger also has a 15 amp fuse fitted, so all your devices are going to be well protected. There are also two spare fuses, so that's quite a nice touch. And apart from a basic user manual, that's pretty much everything in the box. So taking a look at this charger, it is big, as I already said, but it does have this kind of swivel mechanism. So actually fitting it in somewhere, as I had to in my car, which is a fairly confined space, isn't too difficult at all. Now, this is definitely loaded with ports, and the two extra cigarette lighter sockets could be pretty damn useful. Strangely, you have switches on the top here to kind of switch these on and off, but when they're on, they're kind of illuminated, so that's pretty cool. The other cool thing is the digital display letting you know what your car battery level is. Again, pretty useful to ensure that you're getting A, enough power from your car battery to power all your devices, and B, that you're not running your car battery down, which could be a bit of a pain. Stranded with a flat battery just because you're charging up your electronic cigarette isn't going to go down too well. Okay, of all things that you could have been charging, electronic cigarette, fair enough. Let's face it, I guess less of us are smoking in cars these days, so yeah, probably. Now, a tech video wouldn't be the same if we didn't throw in a few specs. So, this cigarette lighter splitter charger puts out a massive 150 watts. So that's pretty much anything that you can plug into it, it will charge. You get 18 watts from the USB-C and the USB-A ports, so that's all good for quick charging. You've got these built-in replaceable fuses to keep everything safe, and you've got that LED voltage display to monitor your car battery. So all in all, pretty nice features. Now guys, that pretty much wraps things up for this quick review video. This car charger and cigarette splitter from Syncwire is an all-round beast for your charging needs while in the car or anywhere that you can plug this kind of device in. And for less than £19 for a 5-in-1 150 watt charging device, that's pretty cheap. So a big thanks to all of you for watching, a big thanks to Syncwire for sending this to me. I'll put a link in the description with any relevant discount codes, so if you're interested in buying one, you can do that by simply clicking on the link. And of course, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And until then guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, it does make a huge difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and smash on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave with Syncwire Lens. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.